Hello, I'm Dr. Amir Khan from Opus Dental Specialty. I'm excited to talk about game changer technology in modern dentistry, 3D printers. You may have heard about 3D printing in many industries, but did you know that this revolutionary technology is also available in modern day dental care? 3D printing have transformed dental treatment by making them faster, precise, personalized, and more predictable. It helps in enhancing the entire treatment workflow by more continuous monitoring of every detail involved in designing and creating the dental prosthesis. 3D printing is constantly evolving and now covers various aspects right from diagnostic procedure, diagnostic models, surgical guides, to prototyping of dental prostheses. It makes everyday tasks easier. In short, for predictable results in dental care, 3D printing helps you to see the outcome with accuracy. It's a future of dentistry. At Opus Dental Specialty, we use 3D printing technology to provide patient-focused treatments. Whether you need a dental veneers, implant, crowns, all can be done with a predictable result right under one roof. If you're curious to know how 3D printing can enhance your dental experience, visit us at Opus Dental Specialty. Let's create your perfect smile with speed, innovation, and precision.